Hello there, and so if you're looking for a computer technician near me, which is quite a common search in the Wellington region, you found us. And not only have you found a computer techie or a mobile tech support person, you found people that are backed up by a solid IT consulting team. So if the mobile techs have a problem, they have someone who has decades of experience to consult with and can help out. So if the problem becomes a bit too large for a mobile tech, you can actually get real support from someone with a broad range of experience in the whole IT industry. So you can rest assured that your problem gets solved much, much quicker than using some geek or nerd. So if you're all over it and you don't want to take a dynamite, or you're at that point where you want to take a dynamite to your IT systems, then maybe you need to call IT Near You, which is a computer support company near you in the Greater Wellington region. Don't search for anything else. You found us. Here we are. So call 0800 420042 and we're ready to take your call and sort you out, giving you a practical, cost-effective approach. We'll send someone that will listen patiently because, we have 2 ears and one mouth, and we should listen and do in the same capacity as that. Thank you for watching this video.